I just had a hot take on the Dallas Cowboys and Tony Romo, and 5 minutes later, two members of the Milford Fire Department came in. They came up the stairs. Now, I don't know what they were looking for, Paulie.
Their full uniform, axes out, oxygen tanks on.
Yes.
They heard about your hot take.
No, what were they here for? Because they just left.
They said there was some type of gas leak or smell in the building, and we asked if we should evacuate, and they said no, but they want to do a quick check of the room.
Okay. It almost looked like we scripted that with the hot take on the Cowboys, and then the two members of the fire department came in. They were separate.
The chief wants to talk about the Romo situation.
Yeah, well, tell him I can't.
Hey, I just want to say we also did a segment on Wild Bill. Now, there's a funny gas smell. I'm not saying. There's a couple of different storylines playing out here.
McLevin, what's the poll question we're going with? Are we going to go, what would be a great weekend for Tiger Woods?
We could do that.
Tony Romo?
Yeah, we had a debate. What sport requires the least amount of athleticism?
No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to bash golfers here. Yes, Paul.
By the way, just a reminder, firemen slay. Oh, you want no part of a fireman if you're talking to a woman.
If they're in their dress blues, then it's not fair.
But did you see the guy?
You can't come in with all of your equipment onto the bar. But you can wear your dress blues.
I'm just saying if you're a young single guy and the guy you're going toe to toe with is a fireman.
Well, you also have to be a fireman. You have to go through all of the requirements to be a fireman. It's not like they just say, "Hey, you want to be a fireman?" Yeah. Hey, I get to ride on a truck.
But you see the shorter guy with the pecs? You want no part of that dude.
No, I don't. Yes.
Like, hey, how was work today? Oh, good. We talked about the Cowboys and the Romo situation all day. Oh, good. What did you do? Oh, I rescued people from a burning building.
Yeah.
Oh.
I went into this radio show, and I was looking for a gas leak today. That's what I did.
The move they do is they leave the pants on and they wear the fireman shirt and they wear it around town in New York City.
Yeah.
And then they have the black marks on their face.
Little suspenders action. Yeah.
I remember my brother-in-law was in Lower Manhattan, and he was outside the firehouse, and Minnie Driver came by. And Minnie Driver was interested.
She didn't stand a chance.
No, not at all. And all of a sudden, she's checking out the firemen, including my brother-in-law. Yes, McLevin.
You go on national radio and say the Cowboys should start Tony Romo in Week 17, and you don't expect the fire department to show up? I mean, come on.
The Dan Patrick Show, weekday mornings on Audience.